Good morning. Happy Easter. For me, not for you, because this is posted after Easter. Today's Easter day, and I thought, why not record an everyday makeup routine? I'm gonna try to look my best today for Jesus. I've got my outfit on. I low-key am very hot and uncomfortable. I haven't done one of these in like a very long time, so I'm kind of excited. I already did my base, which was my chemical exfoliator. I use it twice a day. My snail essence, if you may, I think that's what it's called. Crave Beauty moisturizer, and then a First Aid Beauty moisturizer. So all of those products, 10 out of 10, very much recommend. Sometimes I use primer, sometimes I don't. Really just depends. Maybe I'll do it today just for the heck of it. Just been like kind of switching out between these primer samples that I've been getting. This one's the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control. Also, ignore my horribly chipped nails. I just low-key have been so lazy and I don't want to take them off. And then I go in with my favorite Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I don't know, it really helps with my under eyes. It's really moisturizing. That's a big thing for my under eyes because they get dry very easily. Sometimes I use this Maybelline Superstay full coverage under eye concealer. I low-key hate it though. Very much burns my under eyes. I just put on this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. I put it all over my eyes because my eyes are very red and horrible all over. Next, I'm gonna go in with the same e.l.f. concealer. I really like this e.l.f. stuff. I think the name is right, it is hydrating. I tried that other e.l.f. concealer right when it came out, the one that's not the hydrating one, and it was really drying. So I understand why they came out with the hydrating one, because that one was so dry on my skin. Alright, now I'm using this Protect and Tint Tinted Moisturizer with SPF from Neutrogena. I just ordered the Kosas Skin Tint and Concealer. Very excited for that. I've got to stop buying stuff at night because I'd be online shopping at 11 p.m. like half asleep. I'm like, that looks nice. And I buy it and then later on I'm like, did I need it? No. But I bought it. So I have this Milk Makeup bronzing stick, which I got at TJ Maxx. I know that's like kind of controversial, like makeup from TJ Maxx is supposed to not be good. I've been seeing these, is it Sonia? No. It's Charlotte Tilbury. The Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and that stuff looks so questionable to me because it's so dark. I don't know if I trust it. I feel like I would be the one to mess it up. After that, I apply another thing I got at TJ Maxx from Milk Makeup. This smells so good. This like, it's like very dark purple, but I love this color. Let me describe it. It smells like candy, like it smells like a candy. I don't remember which one. I don't eat candy that much, so I really have no idea, but I'm gonna kind of set the bronzer a little bit with this Hula Bronzer stuff. I've been trying to be more cheap because I used to be very much like a cheapskate when I was younger and I had less money. Now I have relatively good amount of money that I don't want to spend a lot of because I'm trying to save. I have this Hula Bronzer that I've had for over a year now, and I was running out and I was like getting on the sides. I was like, damn, like I don't want to throw it out just yet. So I did that technique where you like mix it with rubbing alcohol, and like it did work. I've been using it, so it's like kind of rough on the edges. Damn, it made this so loose. It just goes everywhere, but it's fine. I also got this at TJ Maxx. I really love Becca's highlighters. I had one that I used for like 4 or 5 years. I bought it on eBay. It was a real one, but it was half of the price of a normal one. I don't know why, but it was for sure real. When I was at TJ Maxx, I found it in like a small size. This is literally my favorite highlighter ever. Nothing compared to the Becca, like this one. I mean, nothing compares to it. I don't know why. I saw this on TikTok right when I went viral and I bought it right away. The Brow Glue by NYX. Apparently, this is just hair gel. But yeah, I put this on and I kind of let it dry just a little bit before I do anything else with it. I have a lot of eyebrow hair. I feel like not much can tame them. I love fake freckles. They're my bitch. I use this Revlon Colorstay eyebrow thingy. It just looks like this. It's a very soft brown, and I just kind of like speckle it on my face like that and then tap it in. They kind of like transfer onto my finger and then I can transfer them to the rest of the face. It just looks so natural. This is one of my favorite things to do. I feel like it just brings my makeup together. But yeah, this is just my favorite part. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I use this Anastasia brow thingy, which along with the Hula Bronzer, I also DIY'd because it was like breaking and falling apart. So I just took all the broken parts and made it into one. Honestly, I still haven't found like my favorite way of doing my eyebrows. I know that I really like the no tail look on myself. That is just a commitment though, and I don't want to do that again. I literally plucked off the ends of my eyebrows. I just looked crazy without makeup. If I could just do a natural brow lift like surgically, I would. Number one, I'm not dedicated enough to do that, and number two, do I even have the money? Most likely no. I don't know how much it costs, but I'm not gonna do that. I just like the supernatural brow look too. I don't do anything special to them. So I use, once again, Milk Makeup. I got this at TJ Maxx. This is a Junos beauty blender, I think. I remember they advertised it on Instagram and they were like, oh, this is so good. Like, use this for your foundation, blah, blah. And I tried it for my foundation and I literally hated it. I'm like, why would this even make sense? It's like microfiber. I used it for my powder though, and I really like it for powder. So I've just been using it for that ever since. I try not to put too much on my under eyes because they're dry. Now it's time for eye makeup. My favorite part. I love eye makeup. I mostly always go for like some sort of eyeliner look, just because I really like how eyeliner looks on me. I've been doing like a very smoked out wing recently, but I want to do straightforward, something pretty and simple. To start off, I always go in with my Hula Bronzer and I just blend it. And then I also take the brush and I go like on the sides of my nose here. I just look where the creases of my nose are and I just blend it there. Lazily contour my nose. I just think it makes it look a little cuter. I usually use this Pixie Silky Eye thingy to like make a super smoky eye, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna actually just do regular winged eyeliner. This is the only eyeliner I will use. It's the best one I've ever tried and it's super inexpensive. It's Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Tip Eyeliner. This just lasts the longest. It's the easiest to use. Like, I would use this over the Stila Stay All Day eyeliner. So when I do a wing, I just follow like the base of my lashes. And I do like a dramatic wing, by the way. I don't do simple wings. Mascara. This is my favorite part as well. I really like doing mascara. I just take my eyelash curler. Normally I don't use an eyelash curler, or I don't really like to. I prefer to have my eyelashes perm, which I do like once a month. I gotta do it again because my eyelashes are really sagging right now. I go in with my favorite tried and true Maybelline The Rocket, and I've used it since like sophomore year of high school. I'm a junior in college now, so that really says something. Always freaking get it on my eyelids, even though I try not to. Then I go in with the brush like this. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a comb, I think. And I just kind of comb my lashes a little bit to separate them. Because then after that, I go in with Thrive Cosmetics Lash Extensions. And I kind of just brush through my lashes and like extend the lashes almost. That's literally how I would describe it. Like, that's how I get like my fake eyelashes type of look. I have to go. I'm gonna film in a bit right when I get back, and I'm gonna show you guys my lip and stuff later. Okay, I just got back from church. I had to take a little brief intermission. I did change. I want to show you guys my outfit. It's like kind of cute, right? I love it. I don't know why. It's not very spring, but I really like it. I didn't put any lipstick on because I figured why would I do that if I'm going to church? I'm gonna have to wear a mask the whole time, but going out later, so might as well put lipstick on now. Lipstick I use is, there is no label on it. Oh wait, here it is. Glace by Bite Beauty. What? I thought this was a MAC lipstick. That's so weird. I use a really subtle lip color that's very close to my own color. I kind of overline my lips just slightly to the point it just looks really natural. Let me put some of this on because my face feels dry.
Why did you steal this from me? Is that theft?
Is that it? I think so. All right, that's my makeup. Let's get a little bit closer. Well, that's my makeup. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Oh my gosh, a nail file. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, make sure to comment down below if you tried this out or if you have any makeup tips for me, that'd be really great. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload every Saturday. I'm trying to upload Wednesdays now, Saturdays and Wednesdays. If you subscribe to, make sure to turn on post notifications so then you know when I post my next video. Love you guys so much. Peace out, Girl Scouts. I'll catch you on the flip side. Alright, bye.
Baby, I could take you far. Mama said she loved me more if I had a